Hey there, history buffs. Ever wondered how ancient traditions can tell us profound stories about everyday life? Well, let me take you on a journey through an ancient Jewish tradition that beautifully symbolizes marriage. Long ago, in Jewish society, there was a special custom when a child was born. If it was a boy, the community would plant a cedar sapling. For a girl, a pine sapling was chosen. As these children grew, so did the trees, deeply rooted in their heritage and family's hopes. Now here's where it gets really interesting. When these two individuals were ready to marry, something magical happened with the trees they were connected to since birth. Branches from the groom's cedar and the bride's pine were intricately woven together to create something known as the Sky Canopy. This wasn't just any canopy, it was a beautifully crafted roof made from their individual trees that symbolized their coming together under one new family. During the wedding ceremony, everyone knew the bride would walk under this sky canopy, but what occurred beneath it? Well, that remained a cherished secret among those present, a beautiful mystery of unity and love. This ancient narrative does more than just recount a wedding tradition, it teaches the importance of marriage and the profound union it represents. It also underscores how love and trust can grow deeper when two lives are genuinely intertwined. And there's a lovely side to this story that extends beyond just the couple. Teaching this tradition to children promotes an understanding of the natural and significant role that marriage plays, growing alongside nature itself. So, next time you think about traditions, remember how they can hold deeper meanings, linking us to our past and guiding us in our present. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next dive into history.